Don't let it go, let it go. Don't let it slip away.
What's up everyone, it's your girl Deja and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am so excited because Novashine sent me their teeth whitening kit and I'm going to try this out for 5 days because that is the recommended amount of time to try it out. My teeth definitely need some whitening, brightening, whatever you want to say. It definitely needs it, as you can see from the thumbnail. So I'm going to try it out for 5 days because that is the recommended amount of time to try it out for, to actually see results. So if you guys want to see my results, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing I want to talk about is what all comes with the teeth whitening kit. The first thing is that it comes with that LED mouthpiece. As you can see, this is what it looks like. And the cool thing is that it can plug into your phone or another device. So that's why they give you these other ports. But they claim that it's supposed to actually whiten not just the front, but also the back with these lights. So we're going to test it out and see if that's true. It also comes with 2 syringes filled with whitening gel. I love that it's already in here, so I don't have to actually do it myself. But the packaging, you guys, is very cute. So I definitely like this. They also give you a bag to put everything in, and I just love the fact that they do this because I have so much stuff. So it's nice they give you a bag to actually put the things in. They also give you directions, and this is what they look like. And I love that they're just very simple to read and that they put them in the order that you do it. And last but certainly not least, they give you a teeth shade guide so you can actually see where you start off at and you can write it down and where you end up at. So the first thing we're going to do is figure out where I'm starting off at. So I got a little bit closer to the camera so we can figure out what shade I'm at. I asked my boyfriend, he said that I was at a 3, but let's just see. I would definitely say that I am about at a 3. I noticed that my bottom teeth are definitely a little bit more yellow, and also just like the front area for whatever reason are just more yellow. So hopefully at the end of it we'll get to like a 1 or a 2, but right now I'm at a 3. Now we're going to get into the whitening process. So I have the instructions right here. It says, step number 1, before whitening, rinse your mouth or gently brush your teeth. I'm just going to go ahead and brush my teeth because they actually sent me an electric toothbrush along with their toothpaste. And it also comes with a little charging thing for the electric toothbrush. So I'm going to just go ahead and brush my teeth, and I'm going to give you guys like a mini review of this electric toothbrush as well. So I'm all done brushing my teeth, and I would say that I definitely liked it because I can tell that it's better quality than some older ones that I had, and I got those from like Walmart. One thing that was different is that the bristles, like look at this, it's definitely smaller, but I would say that it definitely works pretty well and it gets the job done. The toothpaste, I like it because it is a natural whitening toothpaste and it has like a nice mint feeling to it. So I would definitely recommend this. Even though it doesn't come with the whitening kit, you can order this off their website separately if you would like. Now that I'm done brushing my teeth, it's time for step number 2, and it says apply whitening gel to the upper and lower walls of the mouthpiece. Do not place gel on the part you bite on, so that's important. Making sure it's about 1 millimeter thick. You can also apply the whitening gel to your teeth directly using a swab. I'm just gonna use the teeth whitening gel and just put it on here, and I also have a swab just to spread it out, but I'm gonna just squeeze some. And I would say be careful because it comes out very thick. So now that I have that, I'm just gonna use my cotton swab and go in here and just spread it out. I definitely put a lot in here, but we can always kind of take some out. And it's hard, honestly, doing this. It's hard to not get on the part you bite on, but I'm gonna just take like the other side and get that off. Okay, so I have the whitening gel all on the mouthpiece now. So step number 3 says place mouthpiece in your mouth and bite down lightly on the mouthpiece. The whitening gel should make contact with your teeth evenly. And step number 4 says connect the mouthpiece to the USB attachment. Choose correct USB and connect to your phone. You should see the mouthpiece light up. Relax for 10 minutes. For maximum results, you can use a light for 30 minutes. So I'm going to try to do it for 30 minutes, but I may stop just a little bit sooner. But I'm going to get this all plugged up. Okay, so I connected it to the USB portion. So I'm going to connect this to my iPad because I'm actually filming on my phone. So I have it right here. Just going to plug it up. And it lit up. So I think this is so cool because a lot of people just have devices. So I think this is very convenient to use. Like I said, I didn't use my phone because I am filming on that. So I'm going to go ahead and place this in my mouth for 30 minutes. I'm going to set a timer and I'm going to come back to you guys after that. So place it. So you guys, I am back and I took the mouthpiece out. The next step was just to rinse out the mouthpiece and rinse out your mouth. So I did that and I kept it in for 30 minutes. And let's just say it was hard. It was hard because your mouth starts to form like spit. So I tried to keep it in as long as I could, which was the 30 minutes, but like it was hard to do that. So the next few days I may do like 15 minutes, but I'll let you guys know. But I want to show you guys what my teeth are looking like so you can see if there is a difference. So this is what they're looking like. I think the top is a little bit whiter. The bottom, I still see some yellow. Here it is with this. I feel like the top is kind of like getting closer to the 2 and the bottom is still kind of at a 3. But today is only the first day. Like I said, I'm going to do this for 5 days because it takes a few times to actually see a difference. So I'm going to come back to you guys when I did the next few days and show you guys the difference for each day and show you guys my final results. So you guys, it is a few days later. I did a total of 5 days of whitening. I showed you guys the first day and I did the next 4 off camera. But I'm going to go through each day with pictures so you can see how my teeth improved. So day 1, you guys kind of saw it, but I want to show the pictures. It wasn't a huge difference because it was just the first day. So I think there's like a slight of a difference, but not a huge difference at all. Day 2, I started to see a difference. It was mainly at the top of my teeth, and I think that's because those weren't as yellow as the bottom row, so I definitely started to see the top whiten up even more. Day 3, I started to see a difference with the top and bottom row of my teeth, so that was really good. So I feel like day 3 is when I kind of started to see like, okay, it's starting to work. Day 4, my teeth were a little bit whiter. It wasn't like a huge difference, but overall I would say it just started to whiten up even more. And the final day, day 5, I feel like I definitely saw a difference with day 5 because when I started off, my teeth were definitely yellow at the top and the bottom. So day 5, I felt like I actually saw like my top row really white and then the bottom was getting even whiter. I think at the top is a little whiter than the bottom, but I think as I keep going, it will get there. But overall, I would definitely say I saw a difference. And of course, I have to tell you guys where I'm at with the shades. So beforehand, I started off about at a 3, and now I would say that my top row is definitely pretty close to a 1, and I think my bottom is like at a 2. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like up close. So this is what it looks like up close. Like I said, the top is getting pretty close to the 1, and the bottom I would say is about at a 2. So now it's time to answer the main question. Does Novashine really work? And I would say yes. For me, Novashine definitely worked. As you can see from the start to the end, my teeth definitely improved and I'm so happy with the results. And it was just 5 days. So I feel like for 5 days, it definitely did a good job. I would just say don't expect to see a difference the first day, like a magic, little trick or something, like boom, white teeth. It's not like that. You have to do it over time. And I also recommend that after the 5 days, you can do it once a week to keep whitening your teeth and to maintain them. So if you guys want to see an updated video, let me know about that and I can definitely do that. But I would say Novashine definitely helped with my white smile. Now I'm just smiling all the time. And also I want to say in person, I definitely see a difference. I feel like my teeth overall are just shining more. They just seem brighter. Even other people have noticed a difference. So that's the best thing. When other people start to notice, it's like, okay, it's starting to do something. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I will put the link to this kit below. So if you want to check it out, you can. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting me. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And let me know in the comment section below if you are thinking about trying this out. But I love you guys. Bye.